We call 000 is about spending zero energy, or at least as less as a minimum, the absolute needed minimum, then producing zero emission. So, for example, no CO2, not the only emission, but it's one of the most important and best known emissions, and producing no waste. So always have in mind that the material you're using has had a former life and will have a second or third life after being used in the building. What does SuperGreen mean? SuperGreen means there might be something beyond green. There might be something beyond the energy consumption debate. There might be something which is about social qualities. That's about the whole sustainability issue might be a too narrow definition of what we are needed. But I think still it's a good word, it's a good term. But maybe we could go beyond that even, and looking for biologically correct, politically correct, by healthy buildings. We could look for the social and the public qualities of buildings, and many, many more. So it matters, and we can do a difference. We can change to the better. This is definitely not the role model of a modern city. So if you look to Atlanta, for example, or to Houston, Texas, these autistic buildings and these autistic cities where you have to use a car to get to a shop or to a restaurant, where you have to use a car to get to your home, these are not the role models for the world. It has been a role model, the wrong role model for the last 50 years. If you look around the world, like China and Dubai and Abu Dhabi and all these funny places, you see a lot of these buildings has been imitated from architects, and this is another thing we have to have in our mind, that architects do these buildings. I mean, every building like that has an architect behind it. So architecture is a very dangerous thing. So from the very beginning of our career, we try to make a difference to that, to look for more healthy, more sustainable, or less energy spending, less resource spending solutions, more social qualities, spatial qualities, a lot of things that can be mentioned about good architecture.